Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to delete video from Facebook page. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Facebook app. So I'm going to click on here. Just like so. Having opened up your Facebook app, next thing you want to do is to navigate to your Facebook page. So I'm going to click on here to access my page. Then take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down onto the video. Come to my Facebook page, and this tutorial I will show you on how to change language in Canva. Just like so. So we have the video right. All right. So this video here is what I'm going to use as an example. And for you to delete the video from your Facebook, what you need to do is to simply click on these three dots right here. Just like so. Then the next thing you want to do is to simply click on delete. So once you click on delete, the video will be deleted. Alternatively, you can go back to the video. If you want me to procure right here, and you can simply click on these three dots from the top. This is going to pump up. The next thing you can do is click on move to bin. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to delete video from your Facebook page without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.